How to fix Messenger notification not working in phone 4a. First of all, restart the device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb, open setting. Scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Click on do not disturb and click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notification, open setting. Scroll down, again click on apps, search messenger app. Now click on messenger app, scroll down, click on notification and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, update messenger, open setting, scroll down, again click on apps, again search messenger app. Now click on messenger app, scroll down, click on app detail and click on update. After click on update, messenger will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messenger cache, open settings, scroll down, again click on apps, again search messenger app and click on storage at cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messenger will be clear cache from your phone. This is how you can fix messenger notification not working in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.